Welcome to our channel. My name is Sylvia and I work at Autenti as a product specialist. Today, I will tell you about the process of issuing InfoCert Qualified Signature Certificate in Autenti. Let's get started. In the process of signing documents with a qualified electronic signature Autenti by InfoCert, all you need is a login. It was given to you after the identification process was completed. An 8-digit PIN code set by you. A mobile phone. A one-time code will be sent to your number via SMS for additional authorization. The document signing process is as follows. You receive an email with a link directing you to the document on the Autenti platform. Remember, if you want to sign a document that already contains other qualified signatures, please refer to an episode on Autenti Classic. A link to the video can be found in the description below. Read the content of the file given to you to sign. Then, select your qualified electronic signature provider. In this case, it is Autenti by InfoCert. Tick the required statement and consent. Click the Next button. In the next step, you will be asked to enter your login, which consists of a string of characters, numbers, letters, and special characters that you received after completing the certificate issuing process. After pressing the Next button, you should enter the one-time SMS code sent to your phone number. If the code has not arrived, you can resend it by selecting the Resend button. Then, click on the Next button and complete your 8-digit PIN code, the one you defined in issuing the InfoCert Qualified Signature Certificate during the meeting with the consultant. Now, check the Sign the Document checkbox and then click the green Sign button. The document has been successfully signed, of which Autenti will inform all persons indicated in the process. A signed document will be sent to your inbox. Would you like to sign a copyright transfer document or perhaps an employment contract? In both cases, it will be necessary to use qualified electronic signature. You already know how easy it is. Go to our website or consult our advisor to order an InfoCert qualified signature at Autenti. Want to know more? Watch out other videos from our Autenti Academy series.